Hello everyone, welcome in General Knowledge class, Standard 4. Today we will study bullet train and cricket crease. These two are the topics of the today. So all of you are very crazy about the cricket and you are having a well and very latest knowledge regarding the cricket. But let us study something more related to the cricket. And first of all, we will start with the our chapter, that is the bullet train. The first topic is the bullet train. So first of all, we will study what is a bullet train. So bullet train is actually a Western invention. Because of its bullet-nosed appearance, it is called a bullet train. Again, I'll repeat, what is a bullet train? The bullet train is actually a Western invention. Because of its bullet-nose appearance, it is called a bullet train. You can see in this picture the nose of the bullet train. That's why it carries its name. Now come to the next topic, that is speed. Bullet trains are high-speed trains that can reach a speed up to 200 miles per hour or more. The speed is 200 miles per hour or more. The speed is very fast, running very fast. That's why very popular in some countries. So let us go to the next topic. The next topic is who invented the bullet train. Let us study who invented the bullet train. Japan is the first country that started the bullet train service. In Japan, they are called the Shinkansen. These bullet trains are called Shinkansen in Japan. The first bullet train ran at the speed of 200 kilometers per hour and later increased to 220 kilometers per hour. This is the speed of the bullet train, the first bullet train and later on. Now, the Shinkansen train now run at a speed of up to 200 kilometers per hour. The previous speed was 200 kilometers, then it became 220, but nowadays the speed is 300 kilometers per hour. Shinkansen trains carry the passengers all through the day and close down from midnight to 6 a.m. for the maintenance. The maintenance time for these trains are from the midnight to 6 a.m. and all throughout the day carries the passengers. The midnight and up to morning 6 o'clock is the maintenance time. The fastest bullet train in the world. Now come to the word. We will discuss that which train is the fastest bullet train in the world. The name is Maglev bullet train and this train is in Japan. This is the Maglev bullet train, which is the fastest bullet train in the world. The speed of the bullet train are increasing day by day. The Maglev train gives smooth ride even as they race against the wind. Speed is too much, but the ride is very smooth. Maglev trains are mainly used for transportation in Japan, China, and Germany, etc. It is still not used by many countries. High-speed maglev train allows higher top speed than conventional train. There is no physical contact between the train and the rail track. Amazing thing that the speed is too much, very fast, and there is no contact, no physical contact between the train and the track. The maglev train speed is 300, more than 300 kilometers per hour. Now come to India. India's plan to enter the high-speed rail network. So what is the India's plan? As part of the government's plan to launch country's first high-speed rail corridor by 2020. India will buy 18 bullet train set worth rupees 7,000 crore from Japan. So in India also the bullet train will start from 2020. So what is the first bullet train in India? Where the first bullet train will run in India? So let us study. The first Indian bullet trains project, India's first bullet train, will run in the Mumbai and Ahmedabad high-speed rail corridor, whose construction began in September 2017. Construction already began. It is a 508-kilometer long high-speed rail corridor building with the help of Japan. The train will run at the speed of 320 kilometers per hour and is expected to be completed by 2020. So first bullet train in between Mumbai and Ahmedabad will run from 2020. And these trains we are making in India with the help of Japan. Now come to the next topic. The next topic is countries where the bullet trains are used as a popular form of transportation. The names of the countries where this transportation is very popular. So let us study. Many countries have developed high-speed rail to connect major cities including Austria, Belgium, China, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, Poland, Portugal, Russia, South Korea, Spain, Sweden, Taiwan, Turkey, United Kingdom, and United States. These all are the countries where the bullet trains are used as a popular form of transportation. Now, with this bullet trains topic is over. Now come to the next topic. The name of the topic is cricket craze. All of you know that cricket is very popular sport all over the world, especially in India. A cricket match is played between two teams having 11 players. Each two umpires on the ground and third umpire off the field control the game. The pitch is a rectangular strip between the wickets and it is 22 yards long. Pitch is 22 yards long. Wickets are made up of three wooden stumps with two wooden bays. So let us study. There are different cricket matches are there, test match is there, one day international is there, T20 is there. So let us study these. First of all is the test cricket. Test match is a game of two innings for each side played over 5 days of 6 hours play each. This test match will goes for 5 days. Now the next one is T20 cricket. Now T20, now a newly introduced variant of the cricket from the general one-day match, T20. T20 cricket it is also called 2020. Cricket may be defined as a short cricket match limited to 20 overs of gameplay. Only 20 overs, lasting for about 80 minutes per inning with half an hour interval in between. The beginning of the T20 format can be traced to 2003 when it was introduced by England and Wales Cricket Board. This is T20, a short match, which is of 80 minutes. And interval is also there of half an hour. Now, next one is the one-day international. One-day international ODI is a form of limited overs cricket played between two teams with international status, in which each team faces a fixed number of overs, currently 50, with the game lasting up to 8 hours. This is about one day international, that is called ODI. ODI is the short form of one day international. Now some question answers are based on this cricket. Let us start with it. First one is, what do you call the players who guard the ball in the cricket field. That is, fielders guard the ball. Number 2, if the umpire raises both arms above the head with the index fingers pointing towards the sky, what does it signal? It signals 6 runs. When both the arms are up and the index finger is pointing towards the sky, it means that is indicating 6 runs. Question number 3 is, who stands behind the wickets to guard the ball? Who is standing behind the wickets? That person is called the wicket keeper. Now question number 4 is, if the umpire on the ground are unable to take a decision, whom do they consult? Third umpire. They will consult to the third umpire. Number 5. India's cricket team is dressed in which color? Blue color. The dress color of India's team is blue. Now with this, these question answers are over. Now I'll show you some images. That image is this image here. You have to label it. 1, 2, 3, 6. Numbering is given. Number 1. Number 1 is umpire. Who is this person? Umpire. Number 2. The person is having the ball in his hand and running. That is called the bowler. Number 3. Who is there standing with the help with bat? That is non-striker. One is striker, one is non-striker. And number 6. This is pitch. Ground where the game is played, that is called pitch. And the length of the pitch is 22 yards. Now the next one is fourth one. The fourth one is the batsman. Fifth one is wicket keeper, who is guarding the ball. Next one, 7. These are the wickets. Number 7 are the wickets. Number 8, leg umpire. Now we have labeled the persons according to the images, and this is question number 6 of your book. Look at the picture below and write the numbers which stand for the following. Already with the help of the picture I have shown, and here also labeling is done. You can check your work. Now come to the assignment. Read about bullet train and understand. You have to read this passage. One content is already given in the book. You have to read it and understand the content. Write and learn question answers of chapter Cricket Crease. You have to write and you have to learn it also. With this, this topic is over. So thank you. Have a nice day.